and this is 171 LED solar lights, and it has a remote to it. It's IP65 waterproof, which we'll just kind of go over. It's frost resistance. It's got a timer function, large battery capacity, adjustable brightness, and you can kind of see some of the modes here. Mode 1 is motion detection, no light, you know, then the motion detected, 20 seconds of light before it goes off. Mode 2 is a dim light. Then you got contrast mode 3, so you can adjust the brightness on and off on it. The solar panel is a 6-volt 4-watt panel. The battery is a 4,400 milliamp lithium ion battery. The lumens of this thing is 1,800 lumens. The sensor range is 120 degrees, which is about 20 to 32 feet. Max distance of the remote 5 to 8 meters. Charging time 6 to 8 hours. Not Kung Fu, but KUFUNG. And we'll just open it up. I did take it out and check over everything, and you can see that looks really cool. Look how many LEDs is in that. 171 LEDs on the back here. To turn it on, press on and off. Pass it. Okay, well, we'll just peel that off. That's the motion detector. And the remote requires 2 AAA batteries, so I'm gonna have to grab some AAA batteries. You get some hardware, some mounting hardware. Here's the little bracket, and this bracket, I did look at the instructions, and the bracket's gonna go just like this. It's gonna install on the back, and then this is the base that goes up against the wall. So you'd put that, and I'm gonna mount mine on a tree. So you're gonna go against the wall, and then the bracket comes out from here like that. Pretty self-explanatory, actually. Just like that, and then this will go in there like that. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. You have a nut capture that's designed into it right there. So you just hold the nut down, and you're going to tighten it down with a Phillips head screwdriver there. Same way on this side, a nut capture on there, and then you tighten it down there. And see how you can adjust this up and down, and then you can turn it from side to side like that. So let's go ahead and let's screw this thing down and mount it up, and let's let it start charging. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just mounted it down. All I did was screw it into the side of the tree there. So the sun comes over. There's not much sun today. It goes over right there. So that's going to get enough sun to kind of like do its purpose out here. I will cut over to some nighttime, and let's see what this thing looks like in the night, and I'll show you how the remote works, because right now it's daylight and it's not going to come on, and it's going to let it charge all day. So yeah, let's click over to some nighttime now. Okay, everybody, here it is the next day. I let it charge up all night long. You can see how bright it is. It's lighting up this entire area here, and I have the little remote here. So watch this. I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on, and then I can adjust the brightness. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. There's all the way down, all the way up, and there's a few settings on here: 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives you the remote, the kind of motion sensor on there. But I've been really impressed with this thing, and when you check it out, when I do one of the settings, see what it does. Now it's on like a motion sensor right there. And I'm just going to leave it. Actually, I'm just going to put it on the 4 hour and let it just stay on all the time. But I've been really impressed with this. It does everything that I want it to. It lights up this area. Back here has been kind of like a really dark area, and it puts it it keeps all this area lit up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got, you know, on the little LED motion light with remote. See you on the next video.